So welcome everyone. So here we come again, and we are still in trigonometry. So as you can see, so far we are gonna cover trigonometric ratios, the trigonometric identities. So here we are discussing problems on the second trig ratios and the identities. That is the application of trigonometric ratios, the trigonometric identities. Was proving some mathematical and trigonometrical expressions or proving. So look at this. Prove the following. You are to prove that cot theta, cosec theta, all over sec square theta plus cosec sec square theta is equal to cos cube theta. And you have to prove that sec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta into 1 plus sec square theta. Look at this. Station prove that this equal to this. To the other one, you want me the in this about to acquire the problem, make your code the questions no cocoa the kai. Proves that or show that dualism. I might say verify to can I get in show when the Kasamu left hand side, Bezos they did when the Kasamu right hand side. Comacodation shows that, co proves that this equals to this. Can I can left hand side, can do the day at the right hand side. Cook at the right hand side, can do the at the left hand side. Make sure which one am I supposed to check? Am I advised to check? When you come out of shower in Doka. Side in nature more complicated, she's a Kadoka. Than Shidaka Doka Pieda one day very simple. You can side in nature more complicated, she need that to simplify. Higher back with outside which is more simple. So look at this. So we said what? Proof, the proof. So check it in, so let's do it here. Is it normal here? So check A, we have what? Cot theta, cosec theta, divided by what? Sec square theta plus cosec square theta is equal to what? Cosec theta. So to prove this, consider the left hand side. Who can tell me why do we choose to start with the left hand side? Because left hand side is more complicated than the right hand side. So that is it. Again, if you tell me this is the left hand side, right? This is the left hand side. This is the left hand side. That is what? Cot theta, cosec theta by what? Sec square theta plus cosec square theta. This is the left hand side of the expressions. So you can simplify separately. You can take the numerator, simplify it, and take the what? Denominator, simplify it together. So we can say what? The numerator, what? Is cot theta, cosec theta. Cot theta, cosec theta. Then, what is cot theta? What is cot theta? We can write cot theta as 1 all over tan theta. But do we need anything tan here? No. So what is another expression for cot? Is cos over sine. Cot is 1 over tan. So I'm going to have tan. So I'm going to tan throughout. To say we do a cot in the tana the expression one day the tan a one a cot is what? Cos over sine. So this is equal to what? Cos theta all over what? Sine theta times what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is 1 all over sine theta. Cot is cosine over cos theta over sine theta times cosec is 1 all over sine theta. So we simplified. This is what? So let's simplify. Cos theta times 1 is what? Sorry, let me just do it this way. Cos theta times 1 is what? Cos theta divided by sine theta times sine theta is sine square theta. This is my what? Numerator. Then let me check the denominator. is the denominator. So what is my denominator here? My denominator is what? Sec square theta plus what? Plus cosec square theta. Sec, what is sec? What is sec? Sec is 1 all over cos. So what is sec square? It's 1 all over cos square theta. Plus, what is cosec square theta? Is 1 all over sine square theta. So we can simplify this using the short way, not necessarily using the LCM. So we can just use this. Sine theta times 1. Well, sine square theta times 1 is sine square theta plus cos square theta times 1 is cos square theta divided by cos theta times sine square, cos square times sine square theta. You have what? Cos square theta sine square theta. You see? Maybe if you check the LCM is what? Cos square theta sine square theta. Cos square theta sine square theta divided by cos square theta is what? Sine square theta. Sine square theta times what? Zebaka sine square theta, just like that. Oh? Yeah. So I'm machine I'm going to but recall chain. What is recalling sine square theta plus what? Cos square theta is equal to what? 1. Why do we get this? From our first identity. So then instead of what? Sine square theta plus cos square theta, we now say 1. So we have what? So our what? Our denominator is equal to what? Instead of sine square plus cos square, what are we going to write? 1 divided by what? Cos square theta sine square theta. So this is the simplified form of our what? Denominator. So this implies that, let me use this. This implies that what? Cot theta cosec theta divided by what? Sec square theta plus what? Cosec square theta is equal to what? What do we get there? Our numerator. Our numerator is what? Cos theta all over what? Sine square theta, then divide by, what do you get here? Sec square plus, that is 1 all over what? Cos square theta, sine square theta. So this is what? Cos theta by what? Sine square theta times, upside down. So what is this? Cos square theta, sine square theta divided by 1. So what do you think should happen now, right from here? What is this? Can we cancel it from here? It's normal. Sine square, cancel what? Sine square. So this is what? Cos theta times cos square is what? Cos cube theta divided by 1. And this is equal to what? Cos cube theta, which is equal to the right hand side. So here's the proof. You see? When we left hand side, when simplifying this, we are dedicated what? Right hand side. So this one is okay. So look at this. Then we check number what? B. Just like B. Let's do it sharp. Sec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to sine square theta into 1 plus sec square theta. So now consider the right hand side. Now, why? Because right hand side is more complicated than the left hand side. So that is why we are considering it first. That is what? Sine square theta into 1 plus what? Sec square theta. So if you clear the bracket, what do you think should happen? Sine square theta times 1 is what? Sine square theta plus sine square theta times sec square theta. Say by them up. Sine square theta, sec square theta. Is what? Sine square theta. So there is no any issue here. So what is this? What? Sine square theta plus, what is this? Sine square theta times, what is sec? 1 all over cos. What is sec square? Is 1 all over what? Is 1 all over cos square theta. So this is equal to what? Z by the sine square theta plus sine square theta times what? Z by the number. Sine square theta divided by what? Cos square theta. Very simple. So this will give us what? Sine square theta plus, what is sine theta over cos theta? Is tan theta. So what is sine square theta all over cos square theta? That will give us what? That will give us tan square theta. That will give us what? Tan square theta. But what is sine square theta? From first identity, we know that sine square theta plus what? Cos square theta is 1. Then, what is this? Sine square theta is what? 1 minus cos square theta. When you make sine square theta, so the formula from the first identity, you will discover that sine square theta is what? 1 minus cos square theta. So this is equal, instead of sine square theta, write what? 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus what? Cos square theta. And from what? From the second identity, 1 plus tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. When you make this subject of the formula, what do you get? Tan square theta is what? Sec square theta. This one minus what? We can write what? Tan square theta is what? Sec square theta minus 1 from the what? Second identity. So plus, what is tan square? Is sec square theta minus 1. So what can I do? I can simplify it. What do we have? 1 minus cos square theta plus what? Sec square theta minus 1. So what do we have? This, cancel this. So what do we have? Minus cos square theta plus what? Sec square theta. And this can be written as what? Sec square theta minus what? Cos square theta, which is equal to the right hand side. Instead of cos square theta plus sec square theta is normal, but such sec square minus what? Cosec square theta. So when I give proofs the normal that now you see that it is easy kuma amfani da trigonometric ratios da kuma wannan trigonometric identities da muka yi. Babu wani issues idan akwai mai wani tambaya ko wani abu za ka iya shiga a comment kai mu tambaya will get back to you. So bari mu ba ku wannan kwana da sai ku je ku jira da yin shi magani. So exercise show that. So consider this as an exercise. Cosec to the first theta minus cot to the fourth theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta by 1 minus cos square theta. So what exercise later then as well is very simple. Yes, show that cosec to the first theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 plus cos square theta divided by 1 minus cos square theta. So thank you very much.